Have you ever studied English for months, maybe even years, yet still freeze when it's time to speak? You understand everything when you listen, but when you try to answer, your mind goes blank. The words are there, but they hide behind fear, translation, and hesitation. I know that feeling deeply. I used to repeat vocabulary lists, memorize grammar rules, and watch English movies. But when I opened my mouth, nothing came out. My pronunciation felt robotic. My sentences sounded unnatural. It was like I was thinking in my language, not in English. Then one simple routine changed everything. Daily shadowing. Not studying, not reading, but listening, repeating, and feeling the rhythm of real English every single day. At first I felt silly talking to myself, but soon my tongue started to move naturally. My ears began to recognize patterns. My voice sounded smoother, clearer, more confident. That's the secret I'll share with you today, the daily shadowing routine that completely transformed how I speak English. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to train your ears, your mouth, and your confidence, step by step. Together, we'll go through 10 powerful micro-routines, simple actions you can do every day to sound natural and fluent. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a book. You just need your voice, your ears, and a few minutes of focus. Welcome to Slow English Lab, the place where you train your ears and your voice to speak naturally. Here, we believe fluency isn't about perfection, it's about connection. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and listen slowly. You're about to discover how daily shadowing can change your English and your confidence forever. Subscribe now and practice with me every day. No stress, no pressure. And tell me in the comments, I'm ready to speak English naturally. Repeat out loud every morning. Confidence activation. When you wake up, don't scroll your phone. Don't check messages. Just speak English out loud. It doesn't matter what you say. Describe your morning. Good morning, I'm awake. Time to brush my teeth. I feel great today. This simple routine activates your speaking muscles before your brain starts translating. When you talk before thinking, you train your mouth to move automatically in English. That's what native speakers do. They don't translate, they flow. Example sentences. Slow, I'm ready for today. Normal, I'm ready for today. Natural, I'm ready for today. Say it with energy. Smile when you speak. Pronunciation tip: stretch the word ready. It gives rhythm. Ready. Mini challenge. Every morning this week, say 5 sentences in English out loud. Comment prompt: I practiced my morning English today. Shadow slow voices, not fast ones. Many learners start by copying YouTubers who speak too fast and then get frustrated. Shadowing is not about speed, it's about rhythm. Choose slow speakers. Calm podcasts, audiobooks, or this channel. Listen carefully. Repeat with the same tone, same emotion, same rhythm. Don't worry about words you miss. Focus on music. Language is sound before meaning. Example sentences. Slow, I learn slowly. Normal, I learn slowly. Natural, I learn slowly. Emotion tip. Feel calm when you repeat. Don't rush. The slower you go, the faster you grow. Mini challenge. Shadow a 1-minute clip from Slow English Lab today 3 times. Comment prompt. I practiced slow shadowing today. Copy the emotion, not just the words. Words are only 50% of communication. The other 50% is emotion. When natives say, "That's amazing," they stretch vowels, lift tone, and show excitement. When they say "really," the tone rises with surprise. Shadowing helps you feel that emotional rhythm. So when you repeat, don't just copy the sound, copy the feeling. Example sentences. Slow, that's amazing. Normal, that's amazing. Natural, that's amazing. Pronunciation tip. Open your mouth and smile slightly when you say amazing. It brightens your tone. Mini challenge. Watch 1 short English video today. Imitate not the words, but the emotion. Comment prompt. I shadowed emotion today. Use mirror practice, see your progress. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself as you speak. Many learners avoid mirrors because they feel shy, but this is how you build confidence. When you see yourself speaking English, you connect your identity to the language. Notice your mouth, lips, and eyes. Are you relaxed? Are you confident? The mirror helps you correct pronunciation and posture instantly. Example sentences. Slow, I can do this. Normal, I can do this. Natural, I can do this. Emotion tip. Keep eye contact with yourself. Say it like you mean it. Mini challenge. Talk to your mirror for 1 minute today. Describe your day or your dream. Comment prompt. I practiced mirror speaking today. Shadow real conversations, not textbooks. Textbooks teach perfect English. Real life doesn't. People say, gonna, wanna, kinda. That's natural rhythm, connected speech. When you shadow real dialogue, you train your brain to understand and use real English. Example sentences. Slow, I'm gonna call you. Normal, I'm gonna call you. Natural, I'm gonna call ya. Pronunciation tip. The word going to becomes gonna. Practice it smoothly. Mini challenge. Watch 1 real conversation interview vlog. Write down 3 natural phrases and shadow them. Comment prompt. I shadowed real English today. Record yourself and listen back. This step feels scary, but it's powerful. When you record yourself, you become your own teacher. You notice your rhythm, accent, and pauses. You start hearing progress you couldn't feel before. Don't judge your voice. Everyone sounds strange the first time. Just listen and repeat again. You'll sound clearer every day. Example sentences. Slow, I'm improving. Normal, I'm improving. Natural, I'm improving. Emotion tip. Smile before recording. It helps your tone stay friendly. Mini challenge. Record a 30-second shadowing session today. Comment prompt: I recorded my shadowing today. Build micro habits, not marathon sessions. Fluency grows from small, consistent steps, not long, stressful study hours. Even 5 minutes a day of shadowing is better than one big session a week. Your brain learns through daily repetition, not pressure. Example sentences: slow, small steps every day. Normal, small steps every day. Natural, small steps every day. Pronunciation tip: emphasize every. It gives rhythm. Every daily challenge. Practice shadowing for 5 minutes each morning for 7 days straight. Comment prompt: I practiced my daily micro habit today. Shadow in different moods and places. Don't wait for perfect study time. Practice everywhere, while walking, cooking, or showering. Shadowing is like music training. The more natural it becomes, the stronger your rhythm. Try different moods. Happy: I love learning English. Tired: I'm doing my best. Motivated: let's go. Emotion tip: your mood changes your tone. That's real communication. Mini challenge: shadow one sentence in 3 different moods today. Comment prompt: I shadowed in 3 moods today. Part 9. Feel the rhythm, not the grammar. When children learn to speak, they don't study grammar, they copy rhythm. Shadowing works the same way. Focus on flow, not form. Your tongue will start remembering patterns automatically. Example sentences: slow: I'm learning naturally. Normal: I'm learning naturally. Natural: I'm learning naturally. Pronunciation tip: stress the first syllable of naturally, naturally. Mini challenge: shadow 1 full paragraph today without stopping to think. Just flow. Comment prompt: I felt the rhythm today. End every day with English reflection before sleeping. Close your eyes and speak softly in English about your day. Say what you did, how you felt, and what you'll do tomorrow. This rewires your brain. You start thinking in English, not translating. Example sentences: slow: today was a good day. Normal: today was a good day. Natural: today was a good day. Emotion tip: speak calmly and smile. It relaxes your voice. Mini challenge: end each night this week by whispering 1 minute of English self-talk. Comment prompt: I ended my day with English reflection. Conclusion: you did it. You've just completed 10 micro routines that can completely change the way you speak English. You learned how to listen slowly, repeat naturally, and connect emotionally. You discovered that fluency isn't about big lessons. It's about small, daily actions. When you shadow each day, your ears get sharper, your voice grows stronger, and your confidence becomes unshakable. Step by step, word by word, you're training your brain to think in English. So don't stop now. Keep shadowing every day. Morning, afternoon, night. Whisper, talk, sing. Whatever you do, do it with feeling. You've already improved just by staying until the end. That means you have discipline, and that's what real learners have. Fluency isn't magic, it's a habit. So make English part of your daily rhythm, and your success will follow naturally. Subscribe to Slow English Lab, the place where you train your ears and your voice to speak naturally. Every single day. Comment below, I will think in English 24/7. And I'll see you in the next lesson, slow, clear, and full of rhythm.